Google says, and many other people say 12 foot-pounds. Man, I don't trust that to save my life. So we're going to go very much under that. If I can even get this thing to unlock. We just sat out. So, not a good thing. But we're going to do what we got to do. Okay. Zero it out. Your dad never taught you. Mine didn't. Supposedly that's going to be 10 feet or 10 foot-pound on the foot-pound side. 10, 0. That's 10 foot-pound right there. Let's just see if we can get 10 foot. Without snapping it. Anything crazy. Okay. That's supposedly 10 right there. I'm usually, I mean, honestly, what's 2 feet when we're talking about snapping that off in there permanently? I'm good with that. If 2 feet is what changes the difference, then we were already fucked anyway. So I like to go just on this side of caution. I'll take a little bit of this dielectric, lick it up your trick, and then does something weird. So I heard at least. So most people say, oh, no, I didn't break my screen at least. We're doing okay. We're doing all right. Uh, most people say to put it on the connector. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll put it on the connector. Wait, no, I'll put you in my pocket. I don't think that's gonna give you a very good picture though. I'll put you back over here for now. In fact, we're gonna take the bucket. The fucking bucket. Is what we call it? No, no, don't. It's fine. Oh, it's a little better. Ooh, there we go. Yeah. All right. So most people say to put it on the connector, so that's what I'm gonna do. Get them out of that in there. Dielectric grease. Everything. Happy? Happy? It's on, man. The hardest part. Here. We'll call that on. This fire is just a weird one. But we'll be able to tell pretty quickly from the put on here. Do, 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 do. One might ask, why don't I just start with this thing and break them down? Because I like to be wrong. Be real cautious. I don't like to hit metal with metal. Yeah. That was ready. No. Level. It's 10 foot. Again, I really feel like 10 is more than enough. I could be wrong. This one was damn near fucking hand loose, so it was running just fine for 16,000 miles that way. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I feel like the other one's probably there then. That's above, I think. Okay. All right, let's go to the other side. Come with me while I fuck it up. Go for it. Sorry in advance. You know, maybe I'm not. You know? Maybe, maybe I'm just not sorry. Sorry, not sorry. In I was always gonna be sorry. I told her that I liked her Atari. Yeah, see, these are already 10 foot when I break them. So I think we'll be just, in fact, this thing's probably off. So keeping it lower is not hurting us here. Nope. I mean, I don't remember what that means, but I think I'm fine. I don't see any like crazy oil burn or anything like that. I don't know. I'm not that good of a mechanic. I'm not that cool. Okay, all four have been replaced. Dielectric greased it, and all the spark plugs look fine. They all look basically identical. So can't be too mad at that. I don't know what to do about all this. One day I guess I'll paint it, repaint it, something. Who knows? Nothing. We're in one. Hold on. Let's put her at the neutral. If it'll let me. Uh-oh. But I have to get over. Give her a little moving. There we go. Now she's in the neutral. All right, let's see if I did this wrong, huh? Here we go. Live test. First test. Immediately starts right up. Sounds even better too. I know it's got some old gas in it. It sat for about half a year while I wasn't riding for no good reason. So definitely needs an Italian tune-up, to say the least. It is pushed all the way down. I'm just overthinking it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight across.